YouTube friends, this is Catherine from the blog ourtimberhome.com. I'm going to share with you a short little Dollar Tree hack. We have these contact sheets here. I buy them each year. There's this one, and this is the new one. This will be going on my coffee bar underneath the glass. So super easy hack if you have anything with glass, or if you just would like to peel off the adhesive and permanently put it on. They do peel off, so I shouldn't say permanently, but if you would like to do this to something you have in place of wallpaper, I'll show you what this is going to look like. I've already added the dried hydrangeas from our bush outside, and this is really pretty, this decanter. I just keep water in it, and then I use it to water my plants. I also keep my coffee in these cute little canisters. So we're going to take everything off and get started on this project. Start with the plant. Isn't she lovely? I've been trying to slowly swap out my faux plants for real house plants. I just have to try to keep them alive. Let's move this beautiful silver tray. I'm actually wearing my new brown shoes from the thrift store. Just a reminder. We'll just lay the coffee pot down here since it is plugged in. Oops, just turned it on. Well, we'll let that do its course. That's for the cream to froth it. And I keep my coffee in here. Well, my husband's coffee, I don't drink coffee. Hot tea only, and lemonade, and cold tea as well. Okay, I think I'm going to wipe the glass first, and then I'll wipe it again. This is just an old Method bottle. I just have vinegar and water in it. Ooh, there's a nasty bug. When I originally got these sheets, I was going to peel the backing off of them. They fit most of the way on the coffee bar. There's about an inch in the back where they do not cover, but nobody can see with everything on it. So this is a really good hack for the back of a china cabinet. I'll get a close-up shot of this cabinet. This was actually bought at a garage sale for $7 with the glass. It used to hold record albums in the day. I took out some of the pieces, painted it. It's going to be getting a redo soon. I am ready to paint it. I'm going to add some feet, add a curtain rod in the front, cover up some of this other stuff on the bottom. It's going to look really nice. So I think I need to wipe this off. Oh, I probably better not use anything wet or that paper will stick. I better dry brush it. Since this is a flat surface, what is nice, I don't have to actually peel the contact paper sheets. The peel and stick, I can just leave it as they are and just replace them. I'm trying to decide what color to paint this. It's kind of like a pumpkin gold. It's hard to describe the color. And I distressed it, but it is against a wood wall, so let me know in the comments what you think. I was debating on black, white. I was leaning more towards black. And as I said, I am going to add some fancy legs to the bottom and do a lot of things to the front of it. So as you see, this will be a super quick hack. I originally bought these at Dollar Tree, and they were for the coffee bar because this is my third set of these sheets for the coffee bar. And then I thought, well, I will put them in the back of the china cabinet. And then, I don't know if you can see, I will be laying these flat, but there is a sheen to the birds and the flowers. So I did not care for that part. So I ordered some William Morris wallpaper off of Amazon. And I thought the scale of that paper looked too big. So I sent the wallpaper back to Amazon, and I returned all the extra contact sheets that I bought and kept my original 3 for the coffee bar. And what's great about these is they fit exactly on the length, and they're just, like I said, just a little too short. These actually look slightly longer than the last one. That's funny. I'll just scoot it just a tad. Yeah, they're probably just not as consistent. But if you were peeling these, of course, you would make an exact match. There, and I'm just gonna lay the glass back on. Let's get you a close-up look of this. So this is before the glass, obviously. Yeah, I just thought it was so pretty. I did not know what I would do with it other than the coffee bar. I wish it didn't have that sheen, or it probably would have went in the back of my china cabinet. It's nice, yeah, you can't tell as much when it's laying flat. Get the glass back on top. I think I flipped it the opposite way. I want to clean the back of it too. Let me shift it a little bit. Yeah, this glass is very heavy. Just the glass alone was worth $7. Okay. We'll put everything back and we'll show you what it looks like staged. Just something bright for fall. I'm going to put our tray back with the cloche. These hydrangeas dry so lovely. I'm gonna wipe that off a little bit. Grab my beautiful decanter of plant water. Yeah, the crystal knob on this is just so beautiful. I'm not sure if it came originally with this bottle, but that's how I found it. I've moved this plant several times, but it keeps winding up back here because it doesn't like where I keep moving it. Okay, let's get our coffee pot back up there. Try not to hit the buttons and turn it on again. You don't see much of the pattern, but it's enough to give just that pop of design. Very pretty. Back up here. Looks very cozy at night. One of my friends on YouTube used a lint roller on their lampshades. I thought that was a fantastic idea. And my husband drinks 2 different coffees, one cold, one hot. To make it easier, I took a perma marker and wrote C for cold and DD for Dunkin' Donuts. That way I don't get them mixed up. And the other one is for hot coffee. Can't have a dirty coffee pot on a beautiful new coffee bar. Here's a close-up of the finished coffee bar. It's almost into September and we still have flies in the house. It's crazy. My husband was threatening to put those fly strips up in the house. I'm like, don't you dare. See, just very simple. Just adds a pop of color. So let me know in the comments what you think about this little hack. If you want to try it, if you have a place where you think you could use these sheets. And again, these are Dollar Tree, in store only. If you have some crazy idea to do something random with these contact sheets, let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this little hack and I hope you have a blessed day. I will see you in the next video.